Hey guys, Half Click up here with a quick Yamaha R1 mod. Let me preface this video by saying this. If you have a thing for these weird, hard, anodized, all metal, alloy, something or another grips, then no offense, right? They're just not for me. They're hard, they have no feedback, they're weird, they look kind of funny. So, with that being said, we are going to opt for a set of Domino A450 grips that should look fantastic. And we also have a set of Womet-Tech bar end sliders. And with these, you get to choose your own trim ring color. And so of course I opted for red. So hopefully that looks awesome. But let's put these things on here and see how much it improves the bike. Not just aesthetically, but just by feel too, right? So here we go. All right, so full disclosure, I have no experience with these metal type things. I don't know how they're actually held onto the bike. You know, with traditional rubber grips, it's friction and safety wire that hold the grips on. But I guess we'll just dive right in and see how this works. Okay, so all right. This just free spins. What does this do? Okay, here it comes. Gosh, I'm not entirely sure. Looks like there's another bolt in there. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Gosh, dude, look at what all is involved with this. All these pieces. All right, so that is okay. I am actually very happy that this was that easy, dude. Okay, there we go. For the bushes, boys, for the bushes. All right, so I'm gonna kind of prep the surface a little bit with some alcohol. And I'm also gonna use the alcohol as a bit of lube. You have to go quickly though, because you know, alcohol evaporates quite fast. But Domino actually recommends the use of alcohol, you know, because for one, it's wet. And for two, it dries and goes away. Just get it on there with some twist and action before it dries completely. About like that. Now we also want to orient it to where it looks awesome, you know what I mean? And of course, I know there's an air compressor trick, and I have an air compressor. I don't have a blower attachment, unfortunately. I threw it away when we moved into this house because it was old, and yeah, but so either way, this is all the way seated. And I guess I am pretty happy with that logo orientation, which you can't see on camera, but we'll look at it in a second. That looks pretty good. Now, I don't have safety wire. I'll have to come back later and add safety wire, but let's shoot for the bar end now. All right, so here's a better view. Looks pretty good. So the Womet-Tech sliders. Here's the slider puck, which is replaceable. There's your bolt. Just put that guy on like that. And then your trim ring. Yeah. like so. Very simple installation. That is lovely. There you go. All right, let's do the other side. All right, so this little cap comes out. We know this now. And then there's another guy in here. And then the whole thing starts coming apart. It's kind of crusty inside this one. What is that all about? Yep. Yeah, so I'm not real sure about this throttle tube side. It's different. Yeah, I don't know. That was like glued on there or something. I am not sure what's going on here. So, you know, the thing about these is the grip is actually on a plastic throttle tube underneath here, right? So again, if it was a traditional rubber grip, we'd simply slice down the thing and peel it off, and it'd be super easy to do. But this thing, you know, it's got all this metal, and I just don't even know what the actual methodology is going to be here. I figure I'm just going to kind of start carving away at it without cutting my finger off. And I mean, I don't really want to score the throttle tube if I don't have to. But, you know, once you get it sort of splitting away, it comes off pretty quick. Let's see. We got a pretty good score through there. And these things are a disaster, ain't they? I mean, I don't know. To each his own, right? To each his own. People like what they like, and there's nothing wrong with that. But you gotta admit, these things are kind of awful, right? Just in every way, shape, and form, just the design of it. And I could be doing this completely wrong, guys. And by the way, drop a comment down below if you know a way easier way to do this, but it is beyond me. Again, I have no experience with these weird hybrid metal grips. Okay, never mind. There we go. Goodness gracious. Well, we got a little score, that's okay. That's all right, we can deal with that. All right, so when the thing dries really fast on plastic. Let's see. That is about right. So I have the logo lined up in line with the switches, right? So it's with the high beam, low beam on the left side and the kill switch on the right side. And that looks pretty great. No restriction, probably a little bit tighter. Yep. All right, that's, now we got restriction. Whoops. There we go. That's where we want it. Right, so we've got our bar end slider with trim ring ready to send home. Kind of close that gap. See that gap that was there? Because we had it a little bunched up. There we go. Man, that looks too good. You know, I don't even see the point in the safety wire other than for looks, because this is not sliding past the bar end. There's just no way. Well, let's step back and take a look. Dude, that is 1,000 times better. 1,000 times. Cinematic. Well, there you go, guys. It's another one of those instances where the only way to take something off is to tear it up to take it off. So there you have it. Really like these, a lot better than what was on there. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Are they not awesome? I love them. But of course, if you have any questions, it's pretty straightforward. Just rip the old stuff off and put the new stuff on. But if you have any specific questions as to the Womet-Tech in sliders or the Domino grips at all, just drop a comment down below. Let me know. But as always, this has been me. It's been you. It's Half Click Up. Catch you guys in the next mod video. Peace. Goodbye.